Okay, bitches, I look scary. Let's start there. Got a facial yesterday and we went crazy with extractions. Like, I had pimples I didn't even know that was there. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm getting my nails done and a pedicure. I'm not having crusty hands on my B-Day. The fuck? I think I'm gonna do black with polka dots because that's like the dress I'm wearing. So hopefully they slay. And I need to go to the tanning salon because I'm really pale and I'm probably gonna die soon anyways. And fix my hair, kind of clean up my room. I don't know. I just need to prepare for a better day tomorrow. And return my keys to my old apartment today. So that weight is off my shoulder and I feel like a million times better. I always come to the nail salon looking like shit. They're probably like, what the fuck is wrong with this girl? Okay, let's do this shit. Okay. I don't know how I feel. He killed the shape and everything. I like black nails, but it doesn't really look like polka dots. They kind of just look like a bug came and laid eggs on my hands. Like consistent, like that dot, just consistent pattern, but you know, men don't have that attention to detail, so I'm just gonna take it for what it is. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the tanning salon. Hope it doesn't make my pimples worse. I don't think you can really tell yet. It should develop later, but I tried. This is my little red light mask, doing it in hopes of fixing my skin. Just start my hair oiling routine. Went to the spa yesterday and I had to get in the shower, so that's why it dried like this. Hoping the redness from my skin tomorrow goes down. If not, I'm doing full coverage and I can cover that shit. So it really doesn't matter. Trying to convince myself it's gonna be fun because I feel really fugly right now. Really could just be hangry though. I'm gonna eat after this and that might change my entire mood. I already feel better. I made me some cheddar broccoli pasta that Mr. Spaz loves. Don't fucking do it. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna let myself chill before I start my shower real glow up session. Okay, bitches. It's time to jump in the shower, wash my hair, exfoliate, fake tan, and then I get to sit on my couch. I feel so much better. Now it's time to self-tan. Tan-Luxe, the gradual tanning lotion. It's so glowy, it feels just like a regular hydrating lotion. Sticky and it develops in 2 hours, so I literally just apply it like regular lotion all over myself. Okay, it's all on. I just make sure to wash my hands after with hot water, especially in like these little crevices because we don't want that to go disgusting. I'm just gonna lazily blow out my hair. I have like a gajillion tutorials posted on this. There's a good chance I'm gonna end up curling my hair or putting it up tomorrow, so I don't really know why I'm doing this, but we'll see. I don't use mousse, I use this Kerastase Nutri Supplement Scalp Serum. Okay, can I fucking speak? Note to self, don't get a facial before something really important. Or at least don't get extractions because I'm really pissed off about my skin right now. I'm excited to try my new leave-in. I'm not shy with products, okay? I feel like that's the reason my hair is healthy with how much heat I put on it. Ugh, time to start this shit. I'm already completely over this shit, but does my hair look shiny? I don't think you can tell. Okay, the hair is essentially more straight than like a blowout. I don't feel like doing all that, okay? I deserve to sit on my couch and do nothing. It's my birthday. Some of this Kerastase night serum through it because I like it didn't do that good of a job smoothing it out. This stuff smells so fucking good. It's my first time using this one. Wow. Well, baddies, I think I'm ready for my couch rot time. I like these silk PJs after I tan because it doesn't get anything on my couch or furniture. Stay tuned for my birthday. Get ready with me in outfit. It's like fucking this up. I think it's gonna be pretty slay. So, she's 20 in less than 12 hours. Woo!